Today we're going to talk about coterminal angles. Your learning target is I can find coterminal angles. Coterminal means angles that share a terminal side. Now remember, you have a starting side on an angle and an ending side. That ending side is your terminal side. So we're going to start. It says find one positive and one negative coterminal angle. So we'll start with 60 degrees. What you'll want to do first of all is sketch a 60-degree angle. Remember, when you're drawing angles in standard position, your initial side is always the positive x-axis. Your terminal side is where it stops. And that right there, in my opinion, is approximately a 60-degree angle. So what we need to do is find another angle that shares this side right here. So your second, third, fourth, however many angles you want to draw, share that as their ending side. So I'm going to start by trying to find a positive coterminal angle. Remember, you have to always start at your positive x-axis. If I'm thinking positive, that means I need to go up. So I'm just going to start and go up. Well, I've hit that side, but remember, we already have that angle. That is 60 degrees. So I have to keep going, till I come back to it. So I'm going to keep going, and now I'm there again. Now notice, I went around the circle one full revolution. A circle is 360 degrees. So I went once around, and then I went 60 degrees more. So my positive coterminal angle is 420 degrees. Now let's find a negative one. Again, start on the positive x-axis. If I'm going to find a negative, that means I need to go down. So I'm going to go down until I hit the terminal side. Right there. Now, trying to find that measure, you can do it a couple ways. Remember, each box is 90 degrees. So it's 90, 180, 270, and a little more. Well, this box right here, or quadrant, is 90 degrees as well. And if this is 60, that means that remaining piece has to be 30. Or you can remember that an entire circle is 360 degrees. And of that entire circle, I'm just removing this part right here, which is 60 degrees. So my angle going down, which is negative negative 300 degrees. Let's try another. Start with your original angle. Negative 330 degrees. If I'm doing a negative, I go all the way around till about here. And the reason I know that is a full circle, again, is 360 degrees. Now this is going to be my terminal side. So I need to find one positive angle that has that exact same ending spot. So we always start here. And if it's positive, we're going to go up. This was negative 330, and I needed a little bit more to get a full circle. Well, that's the little bit more. So that is 30 degrees. Now for the negative, again, start on the positive x-axis. Negative means I'm going to go all the way down and around. Well, that is the original. So that means I have to keep going until I get there again. So I took my original and I added another full circle. But remember, I went down, so negative 690 degrees. I like looking at the visual, so you'll always see me doing that. Now let's do it in radians. So I'm going to first sketch 4 pi over 3. Now remember, if the denominator is 3, that means the top and bottom are cut into 3 pieces each. So 4 pi over 3, I'm going to start here. It's positive. So there's 1, 2, 3 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3. This then is my terminal side. Alright, so I need to find a positive coterminal angle. Remember, we always start here. Positive means I'm going to go up, so I'm going to go up and around and I run into it. But that's our original. So that means I have to go all the way around one full circle again and run into it again. So I started with 4 pi over 3 and then I added another full circle. So 4 pi over 3 plus another circle is 2 pi. But remember, I need common denominators. 2 pi is the same thing as 6 pi over 3. So that is 10 pi over 3. And I really just like to count. So I went 1 pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, 3 pi over 3. Oops, I'm going to do that again. 1 pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, 3 pi over 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I had 10 pieces. Now the negative, again, we start here and we go down until we hit it. Alright, so that is 2 pieces. Negative 2 pi over 3. And I'll do this one quickly. Negative 7 pi over 4. That means the top and bottom are broken into fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to start with negative 7 pi over 4. That means I need 7 pieces, but negative. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is my original, and then this here is my terminal side. So let's start with the positive. Positive means I go up. Well, how many of the 4 pieces did I use? Only 1. So 1 pi over 4 is my positive coterminal angle. Negative, you're going to see what's going to happen here is I'm going to start, I'm going to go down, and I'm going to run into it. But that was my original. So that means I have to go another full circle to get back to it. So I have my original, and then I went another full circle. 2 pi, remember, in fourths, 7 pi over 4 would be 8 pi over 4. And remember, this is all negative, So it's negative 15 pi over 4. I, again, would probably count. So to do that, I started here. There's 4 pi over 4. There is 8 pi over 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, negative 15 pi over 4. It's a little bit confusing. You're going to need to take some time, but you'll get there.